Mining stocks. Gdxj, the GDX, SILJ. Oh, we all had a bit of a strong selling period today. Down 3%, and Gdxj down, GDX down 2% as well too. And the silver miners down 3% today. So, are we getting ready for another bit of a drop to the downside? So really interesting stuff where we are right now, guys. Let me share what I'm seeing. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, guys. Traders across the world, ladies, gentlemen. First thing in the description, go grab that free trading course. If you want to learn what goes into a good trader, you need help with the chart reading strategies, trading systems, mindset, stuff like that, then go get that free trading course. I promise you, over the next 7 days, you're going to absolutely love the videos you're going to receive. Now, moving over now through to the markets, and I know a lot of people are starting to get a bit nervous about these markets again, right? I can feel the tension in the air. People just hoping for these mining stocks to go up. Just please go up, please go up. And every down day we get, oh my goodness, down. So looking at the Gdxj, it's at a bit of a do or die situation here, right? Because we had this bit of a drop to the downside, and what actually happened here, as you can see, a bit of a drop to the downside. We had a drop to the downside, and then we've had a rally up. I was saying that we need a bit more confirmation to say that this was the final low in Gdxj, and my confirmation would be a break or a race back up towards closing this gap up here, which I do believe it's on its way. It's just taking its time. So the really interesting thing about this, we're in a bit of a do or die situation. We can see that on a overall basis, we're still on a overall downward trend through here on a short-term basis. So we're still making these lower highs. We did make a drop down, and then we did make a rally back up. So we could be getting ready now, guys. This whole turnaround period here, that could be the warning sign for us to say, you know what? We are now likely to start to see a move to the downside. So it's really interesting to see what's going on there and what's happening here when it comes to the Gdxj. So guys, don't be too surprised if we did start to do this. If you're in the bullish camp, we really need to see this thing hold and start to rally back above the sort of the 56 level, even come back up to the 58 level for this to be the final low in the markets. And if we can get that, then we know we're likely to start to see some really nice moves coming out of the Gdxj. So even if we do get a bit of a drop to the downside, guys, a bit of a move to the downside, I still don't see that being a big problem overall. I could still see that there is a bit of a let's just go to here. So I'm just looking at sort of long-term trend lines. Right, so there is a bit of a, let me do this again. Right, so you can see that that's actually a bit of a trend line through there, isn't it? Yeah. Is it through there? Maybe through there somewhere. So we could have something going on through there somewhere with this trend line here. So that's probably one of the reasons why it found support there. We did have this major level of support back down through here. That's where we probably found it. So it's going to be interesting. Do we hold here now, guys? Do we hold here and keep rallying up and create a little high low? Or do we start to see a bit of a downward move again? So in the short term, guys, we could actually start to see a bit of a downdraft. Bit of a downdraft. All right, so the same thing for GDX as well too. So we're still slowly stepping down, high, lower high, drop down. This could be another lower high, guys, and could be going through the downside. So we need to keep an eye on that for the possibilities of that actually happening. Now, yes, guys, I am bullish overall, but I'm just reporting to you what I'm seeing on the daily charts. So don't get your knickers in a knot, because I know people love it when I do bullish videos and hate it when I do bearish videos. But on the short term, guys, we could actually see a bit more downside to come out of this. And on that weekly charts, we have major resistance around that level there. So we could actually even make a way back down towards those levels on the Gdxj once again. So really interesting stuff that's going on now, guys, when it comes to the Gdxj. We definitely do have sort of that there going on play, and we have sort of that there going on as well too. So we can see what's going on through there. I'm just looking at, there's another possibly another trend line. Yep, so possibly something going on through there as well too. So we are still in this overall channel, but once again, guys, this is a bit of a do or die situation for the GDX, because you can see how this sort of period through here, this 37 period, this is the period that you want to see it sort of hold and break back above for it to start to be a move to the upside. Now, guys, that's the daily charts. The weekly chart says what? Even if we get a movement down for the next couple of weeks and another move down for another week or so, then long term, guys, I'm massively bullish on this one here. So, and looking over to the SILJ, again, same sort of thing. Are we going to hold here, or are we likely to start to roll over when it comes to the SILJ, silver miner junior stocks? Really interesting stuff, guys. We've got a bit of a gap here that looks like it tried to come back down on fill. We do have a gap still unfilled on this one here, which is just right there. So we haven't filled this gap yet. I do believe we're going to. So really interesting stuff, guys. Once again, we need to see this thing hold and rally back out. If we do, we're probably likely to continue up from there. And moving over to the SIL charts, and I really believe that this is the final low. This is the final low for many months to come. But if the market continues to break back below this support level, as you can see, we broke up and then we broke down. Was there anything going on through there? Right, something through there, maybe. Right, so we broke up, then now we're actually breaking back down. If we do continue to break below this support level here, then this is now no longer the low of the move. So right now, I still believe it's going to be, but looking at this slingshot pattern, it may not be the low of the move, and we may just be getting ready for another lower high and then a breaking down for another move to come. So we could be getting ready for that, guys, as well too, on the weekly charts as well too. So I'm just reading what the market's telling me, guys, and it's just the truth about what I'm seeing through here. So we could be getting ready for another downside move, guys. Again, we're in a bit of a do or die situation when it comes to the miners and it comes to the metals. We are in do or die situation. What we want to see is all these. We want to see these things hold and start to rally back up from here and come and close these gaps that are still available on the SIL. The SILJ, you can see there's a gap just above it as well too. On the GDX still actually has that gap. The gap is right there. On the GDX, and then also the Gdxj, you can see that that's what's going on through there as well too. So it's, again, guys, really interesting stuff. It's also very exciting as well too. And also, guys, make sure that you are focusing on some sort of a trading system, some sort of approach, because apart from the miners and metals, guys, there's so many amazing opportunities through all the stocks and all the different stocks that are in the actual stock market to help you do really well. Just make sure you know exactly what you're looking for. If you don't have that, then that's where you need to start. So anyway, guys, that's it for me today. I'll see you in the next video. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. So you're in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com. You're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training that goes for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So Go to johnsfreegift.com right now or click on the very first thing in the description because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now and I'll see you on the next page.